Alright, hello everybody. We are going to do a quick tutorial on how to create a Mac OS Mojave bootable USB drive. It's a pretty quick video. It's overall probably about a 15-minute process. List here from Apple and make sure that your machine is capable of having Mojave installed onto it. After that, we're going to go ahead and start by making sure that Mac OS Mojave is downloaded. So we'll go ahead and go on the Apple symbol, click on App Store, then go ahead and type in Mac OS. And go ahead and download that if you haven't already. You can check and make sure it's downloaded by going to your applications folder or by going to Launchpad and just making sure that you see that install Mac OS Mojave symbol. All right, so after we get that done, we make sure that it is downloaded. You're going to need a flash drive, minimum of 8 gigs in size. You're going to go ahead and want to go to Disk Utility and make sure that's formatted to Mac OS Extended Journals. So it's a standard format. Whatever you name that drive, you want to make sure that you name at the very end of this line here of code. See, mine is free is the name of my drive, but you want to make sure that that is whatever the name of your drive is. So you're going to go ahead and copy the code, paste it into the terminal, and it's going to go ahead and create that install media drive for you. This is the part that actually takes time. It takes anywhere from 5 minutes to 10 minutes. I'm going to speed it up in this video so you guys don't have to wait for it. Once that is done, though, your drive is finished. It is created, and you can take that drive and plug in your computer, boot holding the Alt Option key, and install